सब्सक्राइब कीजिए डेली ट्रेंडिंग न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट न्यूज सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।
पद्मावत रिलीज हो गई, इतनी बड़ी हिट हो गई इतने विवादों के बाद, अपनी खुशी किस तरह से जाहिर करना चाहेंगे? आपके रोल की भी काफी तारीफ हो रही है और मीरा क्या आपने फिल्म देखी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे शाहिद के किरदार के बारे में?
आप कहिए। मैं तो रोज करते रहता हूँ, जैसा आपने कहा तो यही बोलें। No, we're very happy and very thankful and very grateful. इस देश की जनता ने हमेशा अच्छी फिल्मों को सपोर्ट किया है और पद्मावत बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किलों से गुजरी है और फाइनली थिएटर्स में रिलीज़ हुई है। कुछ पोर्शंस हैं हिंदुस्तान के जहाँ पर अब तक नहीं लगी है, इसका बहुत दुख है। जितना प्यार फिल्म को मिला है वो हद से ज़्यादा है। मैं बहुत नर्वस था इस फिल्म को लेके बिकॉज़ मेरा रोल काफ़ी अलग तरीके का था, लोग जानते नहीं थे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। लेकिन जिस तरीके से प्यार मिला है, ऐसा लगता है कि ये 1.5 साल जो मेहनत की और जो मुशक्क़त की और जो इंतज़ार किया, उसका रिज़ल्ट हैज़ बीन मोर देन व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्टेड। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द होल टीम एंड वेरी थैंकफुल टू एवरीबody who's gone out there and seen the film. Very thankful.
One last. Yeah.
He's asking that is the same question.
No, it's again going. Let's focus on fashion.
मीरा आपका क्या रिएक्शन है on पद्मावत?
To what?
You've seen the movie. What is your reaction? How do you like the movie and how do you like Shahid's performance?
I think the audience has already judged the movie. It's beautiful. It's a visual treat, and I think Shahid, it's one of his career best performances. I think it's very difficult to play an actor, play a character when you don't have the support of many words, and I think that's when your acting talent and your acting skill really must shine through, and I think Shahid has done that with so much ease. I think you can see that on screen, and I'm just so proud of him.
शायद जैसे हमने कहा फिल्म को काफी प्यार मिला, the audience has loved it. Just one last question, शायद but we
It's all right.
Shahid,
we're okay to answer if you allow us.
Shahid, we didn't see the three of you, like you and Ranveer and Deepika on same stage, promoting the movie. Like वो एक चीज रह गई.
Promoting the movie?
Like
when did we get the chance to promote this movie?
Interviews भी नहीं.
I think you guys promoted it for us more.
No, but
we didn't have a chance to promote it.
That one thing was missed out. The three of you coming together.
There were a lot of things missed out, my friend, on this film. We had to make a lot of sacrifices. We had to learn to control our emotions. We had to learn to be patient. We had to learn to be diplomatic and politically correct. And we had to learn to keep our very strong emotions inside for a year and a half because there was so much of a controversy about a film that hadn't even been allowed to show itself. And today we feel very happy and thankful and we feel vindicated with the kind of love and that the film is getting. Yeah, so I'm sure we'll spend a lot of time together. We shot for more than 100 days together, all of us. So it's not like we didn't see each other enough, and I'm sure we will in the days.
Shahid, when can we see three of you together?
Who three?
Yeah.
Eh?
Your daughter and three of you walking together on the ramp.
My daughter's learned to walk, yes, but I think Lakme Fashion Week is a bit early for her. Maybe in a few years when you have a white beard and so do I, we'll chat about it.
Before you leave, Shahid told us about the success party of It's On You.
No, I didn't tell you. You told me to have one. I have told my wife we need to have one.
Yeah.
And now the two people who are going to make it happen have met. So
We'll chat.
You can the nation is listening.
I think the whole the country and the world is celebrating. I don't think a party is required for that.
Shahid, a fashion-related question. Do you prefer Meera more in traditional or in Western outfits?
I prefer to see Meera the way she likes to dress, whatever that may be. But I must say that I feel that she looks wonderful in the attire that she's wearing today. We got married about 2.5 years back, and she's looking as beautiful today as that day, and maybe we could have got married again today. But yeah, so she looks wonderful. I see. It's very important for men to understand that women should be comfortable with what they wear, and we have to learn to support them in that. It's very tiring for a woman to always worry about what the guy thinks about what, and the other way around. Sometimes very tiring for the guys as well. So yeah, you have to accept each other for who you are. That's the only reason we've been able to, make this work, because we're from very, very different backgrounds. She likes me for who I am. I like her for who she is. So whatever she wears is awesome.
And one question from like all the people who might be thinking this, as part of the industry and as being a homemaker and an entrepreneur also, and more things to do in the future. What are your like how the things should turn for the financial from the
तू बजट का क्वेश्चन पूछ कितने सवाल पूछेगा शी इज लिटरली रेडी टू लाइक पाउंस ऑन यू जी farmers I hope the budget supports the farmers. They've had a very tough couple of years. I hope the budget supports them.
and entertainment tax about anything?
हम तो चाहते हैं चला ही जाए बड़ा टैक्सिंग हो गया आजकल एंटरटेनमेंट देना लोगों को, तो थोड़ा टैक्स कम हो जाए. Thank you.
Which words as an
I think he said it all.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.